Adding an hourly rate for a weekly employee in Sage Pastel Payroll. Navigate to Edit Employee Master File and click on the Rates tab. You will see that all of the rates are standardly set to 0. In the Working Days column, make a note of the average hours per day, hours per week, and days per month, and then navigate to the payslip. You will see that this is a weekly employee. Because this is a weekly employee, you will have to enter the hours per week as per the master file in the quantity column. The weekly hourly rate is based on the total hours per week multiplied by the hourly rate as per the contract. This will give you the amount that needs to be entered in the amount column of the default tab. Once the amount has been entered, you will see that the rate will now display correctly. Save the payslip. Upon navigating back to the Employee Master File screen, you will now see that the rate details have been entered. It's important to note to never change the quantity of hours on the default tab. If you need to enter the hours as per the timesheet, you will need to make that change on the Income tab.